Your savings account is paying you 0.5% interest. Inflation is charging you 3% a year. You are losing money by saving money. Let that sink in for a second. This is what nobody told you, and today we fix that. My name is Zorp. I came to Earth from 4.2 light years away. You have self-driving cars. You have phones more powerful than the computers that sent humans to the moon. But 53% of you, over 170 million Americans, are living paycheck to paycheck. So I decided to study your entire financial system. It took me 11 days. And I am here every week on this channel to give you what nobody ever gave you in school. Real money education. No jargon, no nonsense. Just the actual moves that actually work. Let's go. I want to show you exactly what I found when I landed here. The real numbers, not the pretty version. 27% of Americans have zero emergency savings. That is 70 million people with nothing set aside, not even $50, not after a bad month, just permanently nothing. And here is the one that broke my alien brain. If your car broke down tomorrow, $1,000 to fix it, 59% of Americans cannot pay that. Not because they are lazy, not because they do not care, because nobody taught them the game they have been playing their entire lives. In school, they gave you the Pythagorean theorem. Solid theorem, won't argue. But nobody sat you down and said, hey, here is how compound interest will either build your retirement or quietly rob you for 40 years. Right now, Americans are carrying $1.2 trillion in credit card debt. The average interest rate on those cards? 22.83%. 22.83%. Stay with me, because in about 90 seconds, I'm going to show you a number involving your age that will either make you very excited or slightly want to time travel. Either way, you need to see it. I read every personal finance book you humans wrote. All of them. They all say the same thing. Spend less than you earn. Thank you. Very helpful. Groundbreaking. But that is not actually the problem. The problem is nobody shows you the order, the sequence, the exact moves in the right priority. So here are the 3 reasons most middle-class Americans stay financially stuck. Reason 1, you pay everyone else first. Paycheck hits, rent gone, car payment gone, Netflix, Hulu, Spotify, that gym you visited twice in January, all gone. Then you try to save whatever is left. There is nothing left. There is never anything left. The fix is so simple it almost sounds fake. Pay yourself first, automatically, before anything else leaves your account, even $50. Your brain adjusts. I promise. I studied 300 million of you. Reason 2, you are ignoring the most powerful force in the known universe. No, not gravity, not dark energy, compound interest. Let me show you that number I promised you. 2 people, both invest $200 a month into a basic index fund. Person A starts at age 25. Person B starts at age 35. Same $200, same discipline, 10 years difference. Person A at retirement, $525,000. Person B at retirement, $226,000. Same money, 10 years later. You just lost $300,000 by waiting. This is why I cannot sleep. You have the most powerful wealth-building tool in existence, and most of you are using those years to buy things on Amazon at 2 a.m. I have seen your order histories. I am concerned. Real quick, drop a comment right now. Just your age and 1 word. Started or waiting. I read every single comment. 2 seconds. Do it now. I will wait. All right. Reason 3 is the one most people never talk about, and honestly, it might be the most important one. Then I'm giving you 5 moves in exact order that you can start this week. Not this year, this week. Keep watching. Reason 3, you think investing is for rich people. It is not. You can start investing today with literally $1. The S&P 500, America's 500 biggest companies, has averaged roughly 10% returns per year for the last 100 years. Through crashes, through recessions, through wars, through a pandemic, through everything, 10% every year on average. Your regular savings account right now? 0.5%. Maybe. Your money is not safe in that account. It is slowly evaporating. Your savings account is paying you 0.5%. Inflation is charging you 3%. You are losing money by saving money. That is not a scare tactic. That is just math. And the only escape from that math is investing. Okay, enough diagnosis. Here is the prescription. 5 moves in this exact order, starting this week. I call this the Zorp Starter Stack. Step 1. Build a $1,000 emergency fund first, before investing, before paying extra on debt, before anything. Put it in a high-yield savings account, not your regular bank account. At Marcus, Ally, or SoFi, you can get 4 to 5% interest right now. That is 10 times better than most banks. This $1,000 is the difference between one bad car repair sending you into a debt spiral and you just handling it. Step 2. Grab your full 401k employer match, all of it. If your employer matches your contributions, take every single dollar. This is free money. Your employer is literally handing you a check, and 1 in 4 Americans say no thank you. That is the single most insane financial decision a human can make. Stop doing it. Step 3. Destroy high-interest debt. Anything above 7% interest, credit cards, personal loans, pay those down aggressively before you invest anything else. While you are paying 22% interest to a credit card company, investing barely helps. Kill the debt, then invest. Step 4. Open a Roth IRA. This is the most underused wealth tool in America. Your money grows completely tax-free. When you retire, you pay 0 taxes on it. 0. The government built you a tax-free retirement account. Only 35% of eligible Americans are using it. Open it at Fidelity or Vanguard. Takes 10 minutes. Step 5. And this is the secret that makes everything else actually happen. Automate everything. Set up automatic transfers on payday. The money moves before you can spend it. Nobody is disciplined enough to manually save every month. Not you, not me. And I have no concept of emotional spending. Still, automate it. Remove the willpower requirement entirely. Set it, forget it. Win. Now, before I close, I need to say something that no finance channel says out loud enough. Time is the only thing you cannot buy back. Every week you wait is compound interest working against you instead of for you. You do not need to be rich to start. You do not need to know everything. You just need to start. Here is your recap. The Zorp Starter Stack. 5 moves starting this week. 1. $1,000 emergency fund in a high-yield savings account. 2. Take every dollar of your 401k match. 3. Destroy debt above 7% interest. 4. Open a Roth IRA. 5. Automate everything. You are not broke because you are bad with money. You are broke because nobody handed you the instructions. Now you have them. Next week, I am breaking down exactly how to pick your first investment. Not meme stocks, not crypto gambling, real index funds, the ones quietly making middle-class Americans wealthy for decades. Subscribe so you catch that one. Drop a comment below. Tell me which step you are starting with. I read all of them. I am Zorp. You have got this. Probably.